What it do, get your boy ass chain out. Back with another hit, man. Finna get the exhaust done on this joint. Straight pipe. All my lights on this shit. Finna get the exhaust done. Straight pipe this on. Something major, but let me get back to y'all. That's good, man. I'm back now. The lady was talking to me. Yeah, finna get that exhaust done. Finna get that exhaust done. Ran to the back. I'm gonna pay that chicken for this joint, man. But yeah, man. Got my KP mufflers and 17th and Harrison. But yeah, man. Finna get back to the shop and get to y'all, man. So boy, let's trade and I'm out. Y'all see that, John, man? Straight pipe. Y'all see that? Yeah. No rust. What it do, gang? What it do? What it do? Truck is back from the exhaust shop, man. I like it. Y'all hear it? Yes, sir. They did an awesome job at KP Mufflers. Let me show y'all. Okay. Look, no leak. I got no exhaust leak. They even painted it for a brother. All the way back, straight pipe all the way back. Like that. Straight pipe all the way back. See the pipe right there, look. Right there. Sounded very, very nice. Now I just gotta change the water pump. Make sure there's some water in here. That's that paint smelling right there. There's that paint smelling right there. Trying to have my hood open too. Ain't no water. I need some water. Gotta fix that water pump. Then let's go. Probably do that later on today. Oh yeah, man. Tahoe back. Driving nicely now. Driving nice, all back pressure. Said I got that water leak. I gotta fix that. I'm gonna fix that today. Oh yeah, man. I paid about $680 for the exhaust system to get ran, but it was worth it. Now I'm up to that grind mode, man. I'll forget this one plated party today. Get it plated. Yeah, C-bar tail lights, everything back normal. You know, everything back, you feel me? But man, yeah, man. Like I said, man, there'll be a lot more content coming to the channel. Like, I'm gonna drop this video today about the exhaust. Like, the exhaust, I love the exhaust on here. Like, I was looking at like the Corvette exhaust, how they got two right here and two right there. I was gonna put two right here, but end up spreading them out. Next thing probably gonna get done to the truck is the alignment. Probably get that done probably later this week or earlier next week. I'm finna finish installing the slams. I'm finna do the water pump. That's really about it. Really about it. Drive nice, smooth. So yeah, man. I don't know, man. The channel going up. It's going up every day. But it's your boy Trey. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and it's your boy, and I'm out.